Hi guys, my name is Amrata. I am saying about the experiment number 10 Web Technology Lab working with AngularJS directives objective. AngularJS is an object open JavaScript frame development and maintained by Google and by implement the MVC and view pattern to separate data presentation and logical components. Description AngularJS structure. Create your first Hello World application in the AngularJS code explanation and output and let's see the program and block type HTML comment box JS viewpoint Ajax by using Ajax my app post your comment for adding comment section comment and calculator mg mode calculator plus minus star divided by and text mg model and top to-do list type model mg model type value my ng click ng repeat ng click ng and style color blue and app is equals to angular dot module dot controller scope dot u function scope path push scope abc and scope push abcd and the function calculate function scope opposite plus return parse int parse plus scope dot h scope is equals to parse scope dot b scope opposite and my app function item and my app angular module my app 2 controller my controller 2 function scope script body html and let's run the program and post your comment enter your comment. Hi, right, the comment came and calculate 2 plus 4 6 to do list add and thank you guys by watching my video.